This message is for daughters. You want to become a daughter, that is why you go to the school of daughter. You want to save people, that is why you go to school to save people, to become a daughter, to help people. Most daughter, you people have killed lots of innocent souls. Most daughter, you people are not doing your job. Most daughter, you people are neglecting your job. Most daughter, you people are the one making so many people to go on their grave for on a little age. How can you say you are a daughter? You are fucking your secretary. You are sleeping with your secretary. You say you are a daughter, you are in your duty. You are sleeping with nurse. You are sleeping with nurse. Huh? With due respect, you all know that things do exist. Things do exist in this life. Things exist. They do sacrifice. They do a lot of things. When people are sick, they have that night sickness. It cannot work in daytime. It always goes through night. It's only night you can use to cure. There are some people that is very sick. When you take them to X-ray, they cannot see that sickness in their body. But really, they know what is eating them inside. They see what is moving inside their body. Because something is already inside. That is a night message. That is a night message. It's only a night that can be able to cure that pain because it's a night message. It's a night sickness. How can you say you are in duty in the night? You will be sleeping with your secretary. You will be sleeping with the nurse that is working on the duty at that night. Don't you know things exist? Don't you know people can come and use you to save a soul, to help a soul? His mother and his parents will be running up and down, doing the sacrifice prayer, 24 fasting or 7 days or 40, praying that his son or his daughter, his husband to get ill or his sister to get ill. All what you can do, you say you are in the night duty, all what you can do is start sleeping with secretary, start sleeping with a nurse in the duty at that night. What is your job? Why do you become a doctor? Why do you have hospital? Huh? You have that hospital to save a soul. We all know that God cannot come from above to save, to help somebody. He used people like you to help. People like us to help. People that know that they can do something. He will use them to help. God used people in this world to help, to give, to save people. You can't expect God. You can't expect the ancestors. You can't expect somebody to come in a spiritual way to just come to do something when you know that it is only something that can possess something. It's only something that can go into something to manifest, to do something. Please, things do exist. Help you all understand my point. Some people say I talk a parable. Yeah, I say things in parable. What I want to say, I say it. If you have the gift, you will understand it. Because the world is so tricky and people lie too much. It's all I can do. If you have that gift inside, if you know you can listen to the voice, you can know how to transform something. You can know how to transit dialects. Like some people in church, when they are speaking it, or somebody can transit, somebody can explain what it means. Please, things do exist. You go to night duty to do your job as a nurse or a doctor or secretary. Just go and do your job and save a soul. That is why you are a nurse. That is why you are a daughter. Things do exist. There are people that will go, they are very sick. He cannot explain what is going on. Something is moving inside his body. He's seeing things inside his body. But when somebody is seeing it in a physical realm, he cannot see anything. When they go to X-ray, they cannot see anything. But because of the sacrifice and the prayer that person has been doing, the gods can possess you to make you to see that this is the part where the thing is. This is exactly where the thing is. This is the problem of the woman. This is the problem of the man. This is the problem of the lady. This is the problem of the child. This is the problem of the boy. When he's explaining it to you or he's telling you something, you will know deeply this is just a spiritual attack. It's anything that comes to spiritual attack, like a night spiritual thing. It's only night that can be able to lose that person. When it's a spiritual attack, it's only in a spiritual way that can be able to lose that person. It is only spiritual things that can possess you to make you to understand that this is what that thing is, so that you can know exactly where it is. What I'm trying to say, please, I beg every one of you, doctor or nurse, please, you go to the duty to do your job, not to have sex there. You go to the duty to do your job, not to have sex there. Daughter, please, the reason why you become a daughter is to save a soul, to help a soul. You go to school, you sacrifice a lot of things about it. Please, take that pride in you and save a soul. Many innocent people have died in the hospital there because of most of you have your carelessness and your stupidity. How can you be on duties, then you know that you have to have sex with your secretary or your nurse? It's not good. Before you did all those things, innocent people have already died. The blood will be on your hand. What is the reason why you go to school? Why do you go to school? Why do you become a nurse? Why do you become a doctor? Ask yourself. Huh? Ask yourself. Please, I beg every one of you, daughter, when you are on duty, know that you are going to work. It's not because of sex you go there. It's not because of sex you did this. You go to school, you become a doctor or nurse. That is why, to save a soul. All I'm trying to say, things do exist. Sometimes they come in a spiritual way because that person has spiritual attack to save that person. It's only to possess you. Some nurse that is very clean, they enter their body to save. There are some women that cannot born. They can't give birth. They have to say it's operation, but it's not operation. It's just night people or spiritual attack. They don't want that baby to come out. But because of the sacrifice, his parents, because of the prayer or whatever that his parents did, or his husband or his cousin or whatever, they just have to possess any nurse. They have to possess doctor. They have to possess somebody there so that that person can go direct to that place and touch it and make sure the baby come and the mother will be okay, the baby will be okay. We all know things do exist. Things do exist. Doctors, you people are killing innocent people, really. And ask yourself, why are you becoming a doctor? Because of a pussy? Ask yourself why you become a doctor. Because of your secretary? Ask yourself why you become a doctor. Because of the nurse that work with you there? Please. You can have anything you want to have or wherever place. When you are on duty, make sure to be holy. Be holy, be pure in you. Be holy. There are things that like to possess somebody to save a soul. God cannot come from above. No spirit will come from above. They can possess you. When they are coming, they use people. It's you or you, I, someone. That is how they use to save a soul, to help someone. Help don't come from above. Help don't come from above. The gods can use somebody to help you. He used people to give you what you ask for, what you pray for, what you demand. People here on earth. The spirit can come to say, take this thing, that you will be seeing a spirit. No, the dead and living cannot see each other. No. They can always possess the living to make that person can know what they are trying to do, so that that person will go there straight and perform what they want to perform and bring himself back again. Please, things do exist. Things do exist. You people have destroyed many innocent souls in many hospitals because of your carelessness. How can you say you are a doctor, you are doing surgery, you are in a theater room, is then you have to have sex? Is then you know that you want to sleep with the secretary? Is then you know that you have to sleep with the nurse when you have work to do? Why do you go to school? Please, I beg all doctor and nurse. You need to be pure anytime you are in theater. You need to be holy. You need to be pure anytime you are doing surgery. Because sometimes night people, when somebody is attacked with a night attack, it's only a night they can use to lose that person. When that person is attacked in a spiritual thing, it's only a spiritual way they can use to lose that person. This is my message for everyone. My name is Mr. Soban. May the God of our land and our ancestors give us more wisdom and understanding to do his job. Oba Gatok Keri is